We'll guide you through how to master Blender compositing using the latest techniques and UI elements. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and ensure you're in the compositing workspace by selecting it from the top menu. You'll want to check the Use Nodes option in the compositor, which allows you to see and work with the node editor. You'll start with a Render Layers node and a Composite node already connected. To add new nodes, like the Blur or Color Balance nodes, press Shift+A and navigate through the menu to find what you need. Connecting nodes is simple. Just click and drag from the output of one node to the input of another. This workflow allows you to create complex effects by layering and adjusting various elements. For instance, adding a blur node can soften your image, and connecting it between your render layers and composite nodes will apply the blur effect to your render. You can adjust the intensity of the blur by changing the values in the node's properties panel. To fine-tune colors, use the color balance node, which lets you adjust the shadow, midtone, and highlight hues to get the perfect look. Preview your changes using the backdrop option by pressing N to open the sidebar, where you can toggle the backdrop on or off. This feature helps you see real-time updates as you tweak the nodes. Remember to render your scene to see the full effect of your compositing work. Hit F12 to render your image and see how the nodes have altered your scene. Mastering these nodes and understanding their connections will give you powerful control over your final output, making your renders stand out. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.